Just a quick public service reminder: when you're working on old electronics and you come across something like this stupid thing, in this case it's a 3-volt Sanyo, I don't know, it's a lithium battery backup cell. It's for RAM backup, things like that. Come across this in old electronics, take that, chuck it. Please replace it with one of these. They actually fit, amazingly, exactly to the same pin size, and this is socketed. This isn't, and I'm not sure. This one still says it has 3 volts on the meter, but I can see right there where it's starting to leak, and if one of these explodes, leaks, it is going to destroy things. So hopefully by replacing all that, I saved this cursed thing from going into a landfill. Now, this may have other problems, and by the way, if you've never seen one of these before, I hadn't either before today. It's a 3DO, and it is bizarre. Hopefully just cleaned it up, threw some new caps in it, tacked down everything in the power supply, new heatsink compound, replaced the battery, cleaned the laser lens. Unfortunately, the client that gave me to fix it doesn't have the controllers. I couldn't find them or any of the games, so all I could stick in it was an audio CD, but at least it reads that. But nonetheless, yeah, replace your batteries or they will explode and do horrible things. That is all.